smoke-laden planet Earth, many places were contaminated by indiscriminate use of fossil fuel. Our expedition is heading to LSDC Island that has been left with a hope to find an alternative for future energy. Our adventure now begins. LSIS Expedition. Oh my, look at that. It's all smoggy. We need to remove that smog so that we can get into DC Island. Take the air gun and get rid of them. Good job, guys. It's time to go. Hold on tight. Ah! Wow, here we are at DC Island, the world's largest island with self-sufficient energy system. DC Island is where people not only produce, but also use energies generated from solar and wind power only. Fossil fuels, which are the main causes of environmental pollution, are not used at all. Look around, it's really clean. And I feel the fresh air. Wow. Wait, can you see those leaves on the solar panel? If we don't get rid of them, energy generating efficiency will be lowered. Let's blow away the leaves with the air gun. Good job, guys. Well done. Energy efficiency up, up, up. Oh man, we're running out of fuel. We need to find an energy station right away. There. I can see the energy station and ESS. Let's fly over there and get the energy. There it is. We can get the energy by targeting the charging gun at the EV charger. Yes! Good job, energy guys. Is fully charged. Let's move on. And look, there is an ESS next to the charging station. ESS is a device that stores energies produced by eco-friendly power systems and supplies them reliably where they're needed. I heard that there are a lot of energy storage systems at DC Island. Wow, there's the EMS Center, the heart of future energy management systems. I see many researchers are working hard to keep this place safe and sound. Maybe it's because the EMS Center is the most important place on DC Island. LSIS's headquarters is in South Korea. Great! LSIS is in South Korea. What? Look at that! The houses on DC Island turn normal refrigerator, air conditioners, and TVs into DC appliances instead of AC appliances. Now I understand why people call them DC Home. Before we leave, why don't we share the energy we have to DC homes? Wow, thank you! Well, unfortunately, our expedition is coming to an end. What do you think about DC Island? I think we can rely on LSIS, who made this wonderful island, to take care of our future energy, right?